Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about search and filtering in Expiration Reminder. So search and filtering, you can find it on every screen when you navigate to that specific section. Then you can see a list of all your expiration items here, but you have this option here called filter. And when you do a filter, you have a list of fields for which you can filter information for an Expiration Reminder. So you can say, for example, I want to search everything that is expired, for example, and then I can click here and it's going to show me everything that's expired. I can combine my filters over here. And I can say, for example, I only want to see, let's say, filters for data for CPR certificate here. So I can pick CPR certificate and it will only show me CPR certificate. So now I have two filters set up here in my screen. So I can filter by name, document type, expiration date, a number of fields, even custom fields. I can do filters here and search for that. Okay. You can also do search by here by a name. For example, you can put a name over here, click enter, and it will search by that specific name also there. So multiple options for searching, and each screen that you go through is gonna have its own form or way of doing search. So here on the contacts also you have a search, a list of search, which you can search by name, document type, also supervisor, job title, locations, custom fields. So a number of things you can search for and it will show up there. Same for companies, same for locations, equipment, vehicle. So very powerful search capabilities. The other search option that you have here is on the top, and you can do search then by global, all your account. Let's say, for example, and I want to search for, let's say, Adelina in my employee certifications workspace, and it will show me all the details and expiration items with those specific keyword. And I can choose what entities to look for and the name and different forms of doing that. And it will go through all the account to look for that information. Very powerful. Use it and remember to subscribe so you can get more videos like this. Thank you.